Hi guys! Welcome back to RV Realty PH. And for today's house tour, we're back in Greenwoods, Pasig City for this very beautiful, modern chic 4-bedroom house. So, ano pang hinihintay natin? Tara! This house stands on a 120 square meter lot area with a floor area of 320 square meters. So as you can see, this is very well curated and it's very elegant. Kaya siya modern chic. It's very elegant, it's fashionable, it's trendy. So bago tayo pumasok sa loob, let's check the garage or the carport first. Yan. This is a 2-covered carport. So ang kagandahan, one of the main advantages of this covered carport, meron tayong automatic gates or remote controlled gates. So, isa yan sa mga magandang feature of the house. And then, you can see this one. This is a laundry cage. Dito yung laundry area natin instead na sa likod. So, pag nag-wash ng car, naglo-laundry dito si Yaya, di ba? May laundry cage siya dyan. And then, yan, the facade of the house is really modern. More on the darker side dito sa carport. And then, kung mapapansin nyo, meron na rin tayong CCTVs all around the property. I think there are 6 CCTVs to the whole property. Kasama na rin po yan. And of course, we have the pin lights and cove lighting naman sa loob. So, tara, check natin yung loob. So for the main door, meron tayong smart lock pero hindi pa siya calibrated. Kung sino po yung bibili, they'll be the one who will calibrate the smart lock. Ayan. So pag open natin, we have this double height ceiling living room. Ayan, na merong napakagandang chandelier. It's hand-picked, it's curated. Actually, most of the pieces here are really curated. Hand-picked by the seller or the owner. Kaya napakaganda. So, walang tinipid. And then, kung mapapansin nyo, the design of the walls are really nice. Hindi siya yung usual house na makikita natin sa market. So, para siyang ginawa para pang sarili ng owner. And then, we also have this 3 horsepower na standing floor stand aircon, AC. Inverter na po yan. Daikin ang brand natin. Kasama na rin po yan. So this is gonna be your living area or receiving area. Huwag kayong mag-alala. We have another one on the 3rd floor. Papakita namin later. And then, of course, isa sa main event ng bawat property, ang ating kitchen. So for our kitchen, kung mapapansin nyo, it's a very nice kitchen. Not every day you can see yung mga gantong klase ng kitchen. Kaya napakaganda, di ba? Actually, merong certain strokes yung lahat ng cabinets niya, ng built-in cabinets niya na very distinct. Ayan o, kung mapapansin nyo yan. And then, kasama na rin ang ating range hood and ang ating 2-burner cooktop. Actually, this house is semi-furnished. Meron na siya ng mga removables, the aircon, the cooktop, the range hood. So, napakaganda. And of course, napakasulit kasi yung mga couches na lang, beds, yun na lang ang dadalhin nyo. You don't even need to install your ACs. So, this is an L-type kitchen. Tapos, meron ka from the white to the gold. Meron kang mga gold pieces. So, kung you have this gold sink here. So, medyo ano siya, medyo chic, medyo hindi siya on the manly side. Nandun tayo dun sa medyo curly side. Pero, sino ba naman madalas sa bahay, di ba? Usually, our spouses, our misis. So, matutuwa talaga sila sa fit out ng ating house na to. And then, just to highlight this one, this is a smart plug. So actually, the lights of the property are smart switches. So you can control it via a phone in your app. You can install it, and all the common areas, smart na po ang ating switches. And then we have this smart plug. And then of course, this is our main parang breakfast nook. This is our center island na merong napakagandang decorative lighting. And ang luwag din yan, laki. Siguro this is 1 by more than 4. Mga ganon, 4 square meters to. So, hindi naman. Sorry, mga 3 square meters lang. Pero, it's big. You can actually fit in a whole lechon here. Ang hilig ko sa lechon, puro lechon yung nababanggit ko. Anyway, kung marami kayong guest, pwede nyong ilatag dito yung mga food nyo, or kung wala naman on your daily lives, ito yung pinaka-breakfast nook nyo. Diyan ipe-prepare yung eggs, yung hot dogs, and then this is where you will eat with your family. And then of course, on this side, this is where the side-by-side refrigerator pwede natin ilagay. Actually, medyo standard naman yung pagkakagawa nito, kasya talaga yung side-by-side. Ayan. And then you have the pantry cabinets here. Meron ka pa dito sa taas. So, sobrang dami mong storage for the kitchen. After the kitchen, of course, this is your dining area. Ayan. For the dining area, meron na rin tayong decorative lighting. Ilalagay nyo na lang yung table nyo rito sa gitna. So, hindi nyo na kailangan pag-isipan. Napakaganda na ng decorative lighting natin dito sa dining area. Siguro, a 6-seater table or kumbaga pang-anim na tao na table, napakaluwag pa dito. Pag ginawa mong 8, it can still accommodate 8 but medyo sisikip na siya. Okay? So, this is the dining, and then this is going to the service area. Meron din tayong maid's room dito. They also have their own toilet and bath. Actually, for the maid's room, it's very particular yung seller, na hindi masyadong maliit yung toilet and bath kasi she's very close with her yaya daw before. So, dapat maayos din. May personal space talaga yung yaya or yung maid nyo. So, diba? Not a requirement, pero it's a big plus. And then this is gonna be a service area. Yan. Service kitchen lang naman to. So, and then ito yung panlinis ng pool. So before we head into the pool area, yan, meron tayong glass door papunta sa ating pool area. Pero bago tayo pumunta dyan, magpapakita muna ako sa inyo ng mga amazing use case na itong under staircase. This is a door. Andito yung water pump natin for the swimming pool, and then yung ayan. So, ang ganda ng pagkakagawa. Tsaka hindi halata, di ba? Ayan, very well concealed. And then there's another one. You know, we have a powder room here. Ayan. Di ba? Napakaganda ng powder room. Hindi halata. Actually, it's a concealed powder room. Meron ka ng lavatory, you have the sink and faucet here, and then of course, the decorative lighting. Parang actually siya, para siyang yung mga CR or parang mga restroom sa mga restaurants. Diba? Ang ganda. And this one, concealed siya. Kasi if you close it, hindi na siya mukhang pintuan. Diba? Very nice. And then this is the door going to the pool area. Whoop! Pool na to. Ayan. Hindi na ako mababasa ako. Ayan. For the pool area, actually the pool is bigger than the usual dipping pool dito sa Greenwoods. So, parang parang 12 square meters tong swimming pool na to. Ganda siya. And then it has lights, it has a jacuzzi, parang water pump / jacuzzi dito on the side. 'Diba? Meron kang fountain doon. Napakaganda niya. Lalo for family of 4 or 5 or 6, good enough. That's big enough for you guys. Meron din siyang dito, sliding glass door dito. So, ang kagandahan dito, kapag nagre-reunion kayo or you're with your family, extended family, nagdi-dinner dito, nagla-lunch dito, and then meron naliligo doon, okay lang, di ba? You can still talk to each other. Then, encompassing the dining and of course the kitchen area, magkakadugtong, di ba? You can all bond together na with food, of course. Yan ang mga paborito natin mga Pilipino. Before we head into the second floor, all the glass here are tempered glass and then aluminum na rin po yung ating windows, kaya it's very safe kahit hindi ka na maglagay ng grills. What you can add siguro outside is electric fence, pero other than that, kahit basagin yan, hindi basta-basta mababasag kasi tempered glass. Tapos aluminum pa yung pinaka-casing ng glass mo. So, it's very durable. It's very safe. And then for the staircase naman, we have the solid wood and then of course the tempered glass na railing natin. So, let's go to the second floor. Going into the first bedroom, and pasok tayo. Come on guys. So this is our first bedroom. Kung mapapansin nyo, meron siyang sariling personality. Yung pagkagawa ng ceiling, the lights, the walls. It's very nice. Actually, itong may sarili rin siyang balcony. Tapos, yung pinaka built-in closet, actually this was one of the favorite part ng ating owner. Ang tawag niya Mulawin Closet. Hindi ko alam kung bakit Mulawin Closet, pero she really likes it. Yung merong brown na strokes dito. But if you want it white, we can request naman. Pero yun, she really loves the Mulawin Closet of this house, at this first bedroom. And before we go into the toilet and bath, pakita lang natin na meron tayong split type AC on each and every bedroom. So, isang big factor yan kasi wala na magbubutas, wala na kayong contractor na magbubutas sa walls, wala na masisirang paint, and of course, additional gastos pa yung AC. So, dito kasama na lahat sa price natin. For our first bedroom, meron din tayong toilet and bath. And then, napakaganda rin ang ating toilet and bath. Decorative lighting pa lang, di ba? May character na. It's warm. Para siyang atom. Yan, napakaganda. And then, of course, you have this gold-plated na shower head. And then this one. Maganda. Actually, para siyang hotel toilet and bath. And then, of course, your lavatory. You have the gold-plated na, di ba? Meron na rin tubig. And then, this is your, actually, what you will add na lang siguro is the mirror here. Or yung, and of course, yung multi-point heater natin. So, let's head into the balcony of our first bedroom. Napakaluwag, oh, diba? Yan. So this one, pwede kayo maglagay ng small round table, dalawang small chair. Actually, sunset is on the other side. Sunrise to. So kung morning person kayo, napakaganda nito. And then, marami pang vacant na area dito sa tabi niyo. Kaya, it's a very good house. It's a very good place. Now, let's head into the master's bedroom. Whew, luwag. Upon entering the master's bedroom, mapapansin niyo agad tong napakaganda nating decorative lighting, di ba? So, pagdating mo naman dito sa master's bedroom, ibang personality naman. Di ba? Compared mo dun sa first bedroom, iba naman to. Iba naman yung color palette niya. More on parang ano to, parang grayish na brown. Yan. It has its own character. And then, pwede nyo ilagay yung king size or queen size bed nyo dito. This one, dito yung mga displays nyo. O, kung ano man yung hilig nyo. Of course, syempre yung mga wedding photos, family photos, pwede dyan. Art pieces, pwede rin. And then, you have the storages here. And then, of course, meron din tayo inverter na AC dito sa master's bedroom. Nawawala yung ating closet. Nawawala. This one is the surprise. This is the sliding door going to our walk-in closet. Napakaganda nito, di ba? It's like a parang barn door. Hindi siya usual door sa bahay. It's like a door in a barn. And then, this is your closet. This is your walk-in closet, di ba? Napakaluwag. Dito yung mga dress ni Mrs. Ito, syempre dito magme-makeup si Mrs. Makeup area. Hopefully, makakuha kayo ng ganito para sa mga suits nyo, mga daddies. Pero nonetheless, di ba? Meron pa tayong kabilang side, on your right side. Ayan, dito naman yung mga bags, yung mga shoes. Ayan, so dito. And then, meron na rin itong mga pin lights. Even has this beautiful spotlight. Warm yan. And then, of course, meron din tayong smart plugs dito. Okay? And then, this one, this is your full-size mirror. Pero hindi lang siya mirror. It's a door also. It's a sliding door going to your yan, master's toilet and bath. Oh, ha? Diba? Napakaganda nito. So, you have your bathtub here. Meron tayong gold-plated na dito. Ayan, for the bathtub. Ayan, para sa bubble bath. Warm. Palagay lang kayo ng multi-point heater para may warm water, di ba? And then, of course, your lavatory. You also have your shower here na meron na rin siyang enclosed. Para hindi nag-spill over kapag nag-shower kayo. And then, of course, the his and her sink. His and his or hers and hers. Diba? Lahat kompleto yan. And then, you also have this, the decorative lighting. Usually, the theme of the house is more on a mix of white and warm. Napakaganda nung effect or nung personality ng bahay. Sabi nga nung may-ari nito kasi maganda daw siya. So, actually, maganda naman talaga yung may-ari. Baka mamanood siya magalit sa akin bigla, diba? So, yan, balik tayo sa master's bedroom. So, let's head into the third floor. welcome to our third floor. Napakalaki ng third floor natin. Meron tayong parang dalawang family area to. Pwedeng dito, family area. Pwedeng yung kabila, entertainment room or ano. Napakaluwag na to. And then, of course, napakaganda ng lighting dahil meron tayong sliding windows here. Pwede rin natin buksan to para sa fresh air. Yan, di ba? And then, this is our third bedroom. So, tara, pasok tayo third bedroom. For our third bedroom, yan, iba na naman yung personality niya, di ba? So, yun ang kagandahan talaga for this property. Parang lahat pinag-isipan, lahat pinag-effortan. Even the lights, magkakaiba siya. Sa cabinets naman, it's standard na ganito, yung meron siyang strokes. Pero, hindi siya pare-pareho. Hindi kung ano yung itsura ng first bedroom, ganun din yung itsura ng second bedroom, third bedroom. And then, ang kagandahan sa kanya, hindi maliliit yung windows niya. Diba? Pero, openable pa rin. Tulad niya. Yan, mahangin. Alas 3 ng hapon, mahangin, di ba? Pero, syempre, meron pa rin tayong split type na AC na kasama na for the bedroom. And then, of course, ito yung trademark din na barn door sliding. Actually, sobrang wais ng pagkakalagay ng sliding door. Kasi, di ba, pag traditional doors ang gamit natin, it takes up space pag binubuksan mong pag ganyan. Pero kapag sliding door, di ba, doesn't take much space. Wow, nice. O, diba? Ganda pa rin ang toilet and bath na itong third bedroom natin. And maluwag pa rin siya. Diba? Actually, the finishes, dahil itong mga gold-plated shower natin, the toilet, and then the sink and faucet are the same. Pero, yun nga, maganda yung quality. So, let's go on the other side. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na isa pang family room or family area. Actually, pwede naman siyang isang buo. Kaya lang, yun nga, pwede rin dalawa if you want to do it separately. And then, ang kagandahan dito sa family area na to sa third floor, meron din tayong 3 horsepower na floor-mounted AC. Kasama na rin yan. Napakamahal ng mga ganito. Usually, yung mga ganito parang around 100,000 plus na. So, kasama na rin yan. Pangalawa na to, we have one on the ground floor and then this one. And then, of course, meron tayong big balcony. Di ba? Luwag na ito. So, syempre, if you have big parties or reunions or with the friends, with the family, pwedeng indoor-outdoor, di ba? Pwede siyang magkadugtong, indoor-outdoor yung area nyo, kung saan nyo i-host yung party nyo. Pwede rin naman sa baba kasi connected yung dining area mo, kitchen area mo, tsaka yung pool area mo. Now, let's head into the fourth and last bedroom. Yan, di ba? Itong fourth bedroom natin, iba rin. Di ba? Ang ganda ng itsura nito. Parang simbahan. Hindi naman simbahan, pero parang barn talaga yung style niya. And then, iba na naman yung decorative lighting natin. And then, of course, meron pa rin tayo ng massive windows natin. So, napakaganda ng lighting. And then, on your left side, of course, meron pa rin tayong aircon. And then, meron tayo na itong trademark natin na toilet and bath. Di ba? Maluwag siya. Iba yung color palette nito. Compare mo dun sa iba. Toilet and bath. This is more on white. Yan. Kaya lumitaw lalo yung gold na gold-plated natin na shower. Yan. And then, of course, you still have the split type AC, and your built-in closet. Yan. Ang dami, di ba? 4 bedrooms, lahat may split type AC, lahat iba yung feel or iba yung personality per bedroom. Quick recap lang tayo guys for this house tour. So this house stands on a 120 square meter lot area with a floor area of 320 square meters. Semi-furnished na po itong bahay na to. Actually, you can consider it as a curated house. Hand-picked po yung mga finishes, yung mga decorative lighting, and even yung mga designs ng bawat bedrooms natin. Actually, nakita nyo naman, napakaganda. It has 4 bedrooms, 4.5 toilet and bath. And then you have your swimming pool also downstairs. You also have your maid's room, and you have your 2 carport. So, the asking price for this property is just 23 million pesos. Kasama na po lahat ng nakita nyo for the 23 million. Malinis po yan. Ibig sabihin, lahat po ng nakita nyo sa video, kasama na po yun. And then, it's still negotiable. Madali pong kausap yung may-ari. Kaya, if you have more questions, please message us on the numbers below. For our clients based overseas, we also have a Viber and a WhatsApp number. Same number po yan. So, if you have more questions, you can reach us to our socials. You can like our Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Malapit na po kami mag 2,000 subscribers. Konting-konti na lang, 2,000 subscribers na po kami. So please subscribe if you're enjoying the content that we make. And we will continue to make more of the house tours that you like. So maraming salamat and see you on the next one.